In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your phone number on your Facebook account as a login option. So if you normally log in with your email or even a phone number, you can still go ahead and add another phone number as one of the options for you to log into your account. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also subscribing to this channel. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go to your icon here and then tap on it to open the menu. Under the menu, tap on the gear button here to open settings. Now from this, tap on personal details here. And then under this, look for the option called your information and permissions. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see under your contact information, you have your email. To add your phone number as one of the login option, go ahead and tap on this. And then go ahead and tap on add new contact. If I tap on this, now choose whether you want to add another email or a phone number. For my case, I want to add a phone number, so I'll tap on add mobile number. And then I'll go ahead and enter my phone number. And make sure you are adding a phone number for your account, and you can see your account here. So if this is not your account or you want to switch to another account, you can switch first before you proceed. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on next. And then a code will be sent to this number for us to be able to verify. Now once it's done, you'll receive this message: you have added your phone number to the account selected. Go ahead and now close. And now you can see your phone number has been added as one of your contacts. Now this means that you can either use your email to log into your account, or you can as well use your phone number to log into your Facebook account. So that's how you add a phone number on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.